Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
Plot integers -12, 6, -4 on the number line. Okay, just to be able to plot integers on the number line, I have to know what each line on the number line represent, or what number each line on that number line is. All right? And to be able to do that, I need this formula right here. The formula is I have to find the difference between any two numbers on the number line, and I divide by the number of lines between those two numbers that I choose. So let's say I choose these two numbers, the 10 and 20. So to be able to know what line each number, line, the number for each line is, we said I'm going to find the difference between these two numbers. So I do the highest one, right? 20 minus 10, and I'm going to divide by the number of lines between those two. When I move is when I start counting. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I count till I get to the next number, right? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 numbers between the two. So that means I'm dividing by 5. 20 minus 10 is 10. Divided by 5 is what? Is 2. So this is just telling me that each line is going up by 2. So starting from 0, the next number is what? Is 2. And it goes up by 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And of course that's my 10. And then plus 2 is 12, plus 2 is 14, 16, 18, and of course 20. And on the left side of the 0 is negatives. So -2, -4, -6, -8, -10. I have -12, -14, -16, -18. Oh, okay. So using that formula right there was able to help me know what each line on this number line is. So now, how am I going to plot those integers? It's easy. I'm just looking for those numbers on my number line, and I just put a point there, right? So where on the number line is -12? Okay, so I have -10 is going up by 2, right? So the next one is what? Plus 2 is 12. So -12 should be right there. Oh, okay, I still remember this. And then now I'm looking for 6, right? So 0 is right there. It's going up by 2. 2, 4, 6. So I put my point right there. And the next one is -4. So this is 0, right? So -2, -4. So I put my point right there. Oh, okay. So this was not bad. So all I gotta remember is just find a way to know what each line on the number line is, and using the formula is what is going to help me. So once I know that, I just put a point on where I see those numbers that I'm given.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.